Hey, what's going on, y'all? I'm back again with another banger. This my channel. Tomorrow is lit to travel. So if you like to travel, then you're gonna love my channel. Where we make every day better than the last. And we go on place to place to place to place to place to place, all off credit card points and miles, all off free or just pay the taxes. So if that sound good to you, let me show you so much more. My name's Maurice. And if this is your first time seeing my channel, hit that like, thumbs up, and subscribe, cause you're gonna love this journey, man. I tell you that. Today, I'm gonna take y'all to a place they call the sunny side of life. It's like a tropical paradise with stunning beaches, coral reefs, and it got nothing but beauty. Right when you step out, right when you looking around, it's nothing but beauty. You could smell it in the air. You could feel it in the air. This place we're gonna go today is the greatest place you could take your significant other. It's not a place to go by yourself, really, but it's a place definitely to go with somebody you love, or you could take your family there if you want to do that. Show them some extravagant stuff. Today we're gonna go to the great islands of the Maldives. Let's go. If you never heard about the Maldives, this is south of India in the Indian Ocean. So if you've never been over there, you're gonna love this one. So let's go. Today we're gonna show you extravagant. You can still feel that extravagant lifestyle, but we're gonna feel it on a budget. We're gonna feel it for the low ski. So if that sounds good to you, First Airlines or the one airlines I like to take America to the Maldives is American Airlines. This is a great one to go to. This is a great one to pick. And let me show you, we're gonna pick New York, we're gonna pick Maldives, one ways. Me, I like to book one ways. I do that because just in case something happens, just in case you want to stay a little longer, just in case anything come up, you wanna have a one way. But today we're gonna go round trip on this trip. So let me show y'all. We're gonna go for basically a weekend. So we're leaving from Friday the 16th, coming back on so you seeing that it's 80K round trip. That's a lot of points. But on a trip like this, it's worth it because this is like $1,000 flight there and back, probably a couple $1,000. So it's gonna be 40 one way, 40 another way. And they have a surcharge of just 166. Or maybe we could find it even cheaper. Here goes 141. So this is all you'll just be paying. It's just the taxes. And here, all of these are gonna have at least one stop or two stops. This one's from JFK to Boston, and Boston to Doha, and Doha all the way to Maldives. None of these is gonna be a straight away from America to the Maldives. There is no straight away from America to Maldives because the position that it's at, and it mainly is from Europe to the Maldives if you want to get a one way. So you're always going to see a stop somewhere in Europe or around that surrounding regions of Maldives to get there. We're going to book this one on the way, 8:29, land 2:25, 20 hours, two stops. So now let's see on the way back. It's Monday. When we coming back, we could leave 10 a.m. We're gonna hit LGA 424, 39 hours. That's OD. That's a lot. But there's only two choices, 39 hours or 41 hours. When you're going to places like this, that's a little bit more exotic and a little bit more harder to reach. You might have a little bit more of a harder time to book a straightaway or the most time various trips. So on a trip like this, you gotta at least put aside a couple of days, and you gotta put aside just in case something come up, or just in case like this, you're gonna be in the air for almost 2 days. 2 days until you hit your actual get back home. So just take that all into consideration when you're booking these trips. Take it all into consideration. Now let's find a hotel. Me, I love Hyatt. That's my place to go. That's one of my places I love to deal with. That's one of the places I. There's only two choices for a Hyatt in the Maldives, and the two choices you're seeing is the Park Hyatt. Lovely. You can see that it's right here by the beach. You can see that it all right there. All of these come with your own lakefront view. All of these come with your own, basically like your own island type thing. This is basically all yours. Everything you walk out, food is right there. Everything is so close, and this is extravagance. Or if that one don't float your boat enough, this one we could check out. This one. This is the Allah. I can't pronounce that. Kotifida, Maldives, but another one, lakefront. So much windows, so much glass, so much incoming sunlight. And this places they are not trying to hide the sunlight. They want you to get all that bit of sunshine. That's why I love this place. And it's on my list to place to go. I've never been to this place, but it's on my places to go. Definitely. And now let's find some things you could do while you out there. Is another site I like to go to when I want to find things to do when I'm traveling around the world and I'm not sure on what to do or what they do over here. So this just makes my life easier when I find places that I can find experiences, and I like to go to Valtor. It's a terrific place to go where you can find sometime cheap or sometime inexpensive things to do while you're on your vacation. Like this one right here is a full day of Maldives adventures where you're exploring the Maldives island. You snorkeling on tour. You relax under the sun umbrellas, diving in the water. You're gonna have a full underwater experience, and they're gonna show you the beautiful sides of the Maldives islands. And his list just goes down and down, and you can see whatever crosses your eye and whatever hits your nose, and enjoy. This one is a 2-hour submarine tour on the Maldives. So as you're going down, you can see more 2-hour private snorkeling in Maldives, local islands, guided private submarine tour. You could surf the Maldives. Where you filming with fishes. But there's endless things to do. You just got to see what floats your boat when you're on these adventures and on these times. And do what you like, do what makes you happy, and enjoy your life. That's all I want to do in my YouTube videos, and that's all I want to do is just show you the finer things in life, or just show you that there's so much more you can do, and there's so much you can save. So if you got credit cards, you got and don't know what to do, or if you just got some credit cards and you don't know what to apply for next, let me show you what to apply for, and let me show you how to get them points, and let me show you what to do with them points so you can enjoy your life, man. Enjoy what is given and take what you know and make every day better than the last. Tomorrow is lit. Let's make every day better than the last together. Join my free VIP group down below. I'm going to drop the link in the description. And if you want to learn so much more, that's where we go over everything, a whole overview, a whole breakdown, and there's so much travel hacks that I ain't even talk of yet on this channel. There's so many things. And if you like my videos, don't worry until next time, man. There's so much more we're gonna see. We're gonna travel the world together. So stay tuned and subscribe, like, and hit that bell notification. Until next time, peace.